This time.
Alright, y'all, check this out.
Red and blue?
It's powder coated red. Look at that. When it's blue, it's black. Can anybody explain why it's doing that? That's pretty sick. Good choice. Good choice, sir. I was just a thumbs up. It wasn't a... Alright, so his truck is currently finished, I think. They still have to finish... well, so I guess it's not completely finished. The rear is finished, and they have to get on alignment. I'm going to show you guys a sneak peek of what Spencer sent me. So it's looking pretty freaking good. So I'm so excited to see it in person. And so John called me like 30 minutes ago. He's like, hey, so I need to go to the mall. And I was just like, oh yeah, you need me to take you, right? And he starts laughing. He's like, yeah. So I'm gonna pick him up. We're gonna go to the mall, and then we're gonna, on the way back from the mall, we're gonna stop by Dealer Options and reveal it. All right, let's go. $2 for 16-ounce domestic beer for a lunch special, but it's only $12.30. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, right, Richard?
It's 5 o'clock everywhere, man.
That's right. Alright, so Spencer just sent me pictures. Oh, I just saw it a little bit. Crap. So Spencer just sent me pictures of the powder-coated McGaughy's emblem. I don't want to look at it because I want it to be a surprise. He saw it, and he saw it. What do you guys think?
Looks pretty badass.
Badass?
Yeah.
So what we're going to tell John is that Spencer's actually going to text him and say that, hey, one of your wheels are actually bent because he bought them used. And we're just going to be like, hey, can you please stop by the shop around 2 o'clock because I don't know if we're going to be able to finish your truck today because your wheel's damaged and we have to order another one for you. He's gonna be
John,
so
we're
sad.
doing this because we love you, buddy.
He's gonna be so sad and pissed at the same time.
And then so happy.
Yeah, exactly. So it's currently almost 1 o'clock. So we have about an hour and a half until the final reveal. What you drinking there?
Huh?
What you drinking there?
Bud Light. And it's only 1:12. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
I already said that earlier. Before you were late.
Yeah.
Sorry.
You can't be saying my shit.
But I said it before you, so it's my shit.
No, it's my shit.
It's my shit. What you looking there?
Wheels.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Cause. Just cause.
Just cause.
I can't be telling all the info. I'm sorry.
About to go check out his truck because his rim is bent. So he thinks. Let's go. You want to talk to Spencer first? He's in there. That's a good looking Ford.
It's clean.
Ew, who's
7.0?
Ew, whose GMC is this? Or Chevy is this? Spencer, he's pretty mad. What?
You're not allowed in yet. Hey, take the lift off. Take it off? Yeah. Sounds good. Yeah. Alright, wrap it up, boys. Wrap it up, boy.
Yeah.
Y'all are fucking with me. I wasn't.
Now, will we do something like that?
I wouldn't do that to you. Is back sticking out? Not really. It's leaning back in the back so bad because it's 9 inches in the front. Somebody had it. It is 9. So if you want to keep it that high in the front, we can do an add a leaf in the back to make it a lot closer to level.
What you think?
Sick.
What you think? Yeah, your wheel's not bent, by the way.
Did y'all? What?
What?
How? We don't know.
It just came like that, I guess.
Sharpie.
Ooh. Wait, did you check out the cross member?
Cross member.
What? Who did it? Huh? I don't know.
We took it somewhere.
Y'all did it?
Nah, we took it to somewhere. We took it to the same guy that was gonna do everything else.
Is it like a surprise?
Yeah. On the ticket it says powder coat surprise.
That's sick.
Yeah, that looks so good.
You like it?
Yeah. The emblem looks nasty.
It turned out good.
Looks good.
Yeah. So Will didn't have problems. I was looking up on Facebook. I was like, I'm gonna have to screw somebody. He was searching for like 30 minutes before we came here on Facebook.
He was like,
I'm gonna screw somebody. Dang, this truck is freaking tall.
It looks level from back here, up here.
hey, I'm glad I did all the work on it before we lifted it.
Yeah, because we won't have to do that. There she is.
Fix that bed rail.
Yeah. Oh, it is. Front is sticking there. More than the back.
So we gotta go get that wheel spacer from Carolina.
No, he said he's selling it today or tomorrow
Shoot.
to somebody.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He said it got some right here.
Dang, this is badass.
Unless you want to keep it like this in the rear.
Hey, you say you've always wanted to squat a little bit.
Did they?
What?
They pay for it for me?
Yeah.
Why?
Because they like you.
Oh my.
They said it was gonna be. You didn't watch my video yesterday, did you?
No.
In the video, I stopped by and Spencer's like, "Yeah, we're gonna do a powder coat for him as a surprise."
Back here as much.
Dang. Yeah, you. It's definitely.
Half inch.
That looks good. That's like just enough squat, I think.
I'll leave it squat.
If we
Look at him. He's so happy.
on it,
He is so happy. Look at him.
it'll make
thank
it'll make
you.
it close to level.
Dude, when we got back to the store last night and told him his truck was going to be ready
You
for
drunk.
Wednesday, you should have saw the
Yeah.
bitch fit.
Thank you, Josh.
Got it, man.
That's sick.
What about Ernie? You didn't give him a hug? Oh.
I already gave him.
Oh. I guess he doesn't want another one. Damn, that's like a show truck now. It's all shiny.
I like it just like that, like with not like black, just like just a little bit of red.
Right.
It looks really good.
And it doesn't rub, right?
Yeah. Yeah, probably what it is.
The 8 would have rubbed. Richard, you want a truck now?
Yeah, I want a truck.
Sell your Beamer.
truck though.
Just sell your Beamer.
Yeah.
Build you a fast truck.
Just sell your RC car.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Anybody got the remote?
Oh man.
Oh, here it is.
Oh.
Ring, 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 ring.
Do you like that squat? It's pretty cool.
Mhm.
I want to see like this. Is it gonna be different driving? Cause I mean I am facing like this, right?
No, not that much.
I mean they're just like slight.
Damn. You are squatting. You've always wanted it to squat, right?
Boy.
Oh, that's bad. That's big.
Damn, that black is red.
Damn, I gotta make my truck louder.
They're gonna do it like this.
I guess.
They're going to get it close with their eyeballs.
How does it ride?
Pretty stiff. Oh. Is it the sensor line? What? Your lift is so high.
All right, driving his truck for the first time.
Boy, this is crazy. I feel like a big boy. Ooh. This is so weird. This is very weird.
Don't hit anything.
Is there anything in the front?
What?
No, they're not.
So high up you can't even see.
Yeah, it's so hot.
His hood is so big though. Get in, man. Get in. It would help if we unlock the door first.
Do you feel like you're leaning?
Oh.
No?
What?
It's barely
Do
leaning.
you feel like we're leaning a little bit?
No, you
like
won't
in the
notice
back?
that.
Oh boy. It feels really weird.
Look, full turn. No rub. No rub. You like that, Peter? You like that?
You like that? 6.5.
That's cute.
Who's Peter? Is that the guy with the little cute truck?
Yeah.
The little cute black truck?
Yeah.
How much power did we lose?
I feel like we lost a lot.
You didn't do floor, did you?
No.
I'm about to say, oh shit. Too late to send that motherfucker back. Hey.
It's not that stiff.
Oh, no, you're still good. You're still good. We just gotta go in. I need to rechange the tire size and stuff.
Woo! I can feel I'm leaning.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, like here?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's the thing. You're gonna notice it when
kinda
you're driving,
fun.
because when you're driving,
What?
that's when the
It's
truck's
kinda
gonna
fun.
squat.
What?
Like,
Lift the truck or?
like I just lean a little bit.
It's because the truck's squatting more when you take off. Your weight shifting to the back. You feel it?
This one feels it more.
What?
It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Actually, it's really not that bad. I mean, it was worse than this.
I told you.
I need to go over the railroad and see.
drive's good.
Yeah.
Alright, we're about to go over the railroad test. Dude, that's nothing.
That's me.
That's a lot better than when it was on that leveling kit.
Heck yeah.
Rough country sucks.
I'm sorry, but you guys do something.
McGaughy's all the way.
All the way.
You want to get a truck now?
I don't know, man.
Fast car or lifted truck?
I don't know. I like.
Or a fast lifted truck,
I think fast as a truck could be badass.
right?
He's got it lift now.
Full walk around video.
You don't want me to do it.
Alright, Richard's gonna do a full walk around video. Alright, Richard, tell us.
All right, so this is John John's Chevy Z71 4x4
It's a GMC, but same thing.
GMC. Fuck. Already. It's red.
Take two.
All right, let's try it again.
Let's try again.
Ready?
Yeah.
All right, so this is John John's GMC Sierra
Yep.
1500. Got it. It's red, as you can see. It's really high off the ground. It has
What's the lift? How high is the lift?
McGaughy's 9-inch lift, 9 inches. That's right.
And we are talking about the lift.
That's right. No, we're not. Got nice little attention to detail here. Powder coated red, baby. Powder coated emblems.
And that was all Dealer Options idea.
What else we got? We got a fuel 22 by 12 on 35s. I'm learning. I've been around y'all. What else we got? Come to the back. I don't know. It's just high. No, I don't know how it got there. Something's just holding it up. That's all I know. That's all I know about trucks now. There we go.
What you think? You want to get a truck now?
I really do.
You really do?
I really do.
Say hi to Caleb.
Hi, Caleb. Daddy says hi. Love you.
Hi. All right, time for droning.
Lifted. Now he's watching the video from yesterday. That's me.
And I'm gonna take him to work, and then I'm gonna probably go back to deal. Next, the reveal video is gonna be on Wednesday.
You believed us.
Tomorrow, so I'm gonna get his genuine reaction.
Oh boy.
Tomorrow, because he's like expecting it to be done on Wednesday, so now he's like all bummed out. So he's gonna be pretty excited when he finds out that his truck is actually done tomorrow when we go look at it for a sneak peek.
You're wrong. You so wrong for that.
It was his idea.
Actually, powder coating the McGaughys.
Y'all
and
wrong.
red. I don't know if you guys.
Alright, so all we have to do is rewire the light bar and the rock lights.
I'll check.
But we now need a cooler because we're a little bit vertically challenged.
Some of us are.
Some of us.
Some of us don't need a cooler.
This guy, white man, with his 6 foot. How tall are you?
6'5".
You're not 6'5".
Yes, I am.
You are 6'5". Damn.
Like me?
All right, well, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more future content and hit that like button.
Like button!
Smash that like button.
Like.
I'll see you guys next time. Peace.